Let's look at worked example 8.1. Identify the intermolecular forces that influence the properties of the following compounds. Based on your answers, arrange the three molecules in order of increasing boiling points. A. Methane, capital C, capital H subscript 4. B. Hydrochloric acid, capital H, capital C, lowercase l. And C. Acetic acid, capital C, capital H subscript 3, capital C, capital O, capital H. Let me just say that in a quiz, I would make sure that the three molecules you rank have similar molecular weight. These three molecules don't have similar molecular weights, but you can still get the correct answer based on what you know about intermolecular forces. Pause the video to figure out the answer. The intermolecular forces will depend on whether the molecule is polar or nonpolar. Polar molecules will engage in dipole-dipole forces, and nonpolar molecules can only engage in London dispersion forces. If the molecule is polar, we need to determine if a hydrogen atom is directly bonded to a nitrogen, oxygen, or fluorine atom. If so, then hydrogen bonding will occur. The boiling points will depend on the strength of the intermolecular forces, and for molecules with similar molecular weights, hydrogen is the strongest, followed by dipole-dipole, and the last, or weakest, is London dispersion forces. To determine which intermolecular forces are occurring, we need to look at the structure of the molecules. On the quiz, I will give you the structures of the molecules. We see that methane is a symmetric molecule and only has carbon-hydrogen bonds which are nonpolar. Methane has a low molecular weight of 16.05 AMU, and it is a nonpolar molecule. It will only exhibit London dispersion forces, and since it has the lowest molecular weight of all three molecules, it will have the lowest boiling point. Hydrochloric acid has a higher molecular weight at 36.46 AMU, so it will have stronger London dispersion forces than methane, and it has a polar bond because chlorine is electronegative. This molecule will exhibit dipole-dipole intermolecular forces and have a higher boiling point than methane. Acetic acid has the highest molar mass at 60.05 AMU and thus has the strongest London dispersion forces. And it also hydrogen bonds. We see that there is a hydrogen that is directly bonded to an oxygen atom. Acetic acid will have the highest boiling point.